How to double tap to lock iPhone screen. Here's how to set it up using Assistive Touch. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Touch, then select Assistive Touch and turn it on. A floating Assistive Touch button will appear on your screen. Now, tap Double Tap under the Custom Actions section. From the list of actions, select Lock Screen. That's it. Now, whenever you double tap the Assistive Touch button, your iPhone will instantly lock. If you don't like the floating button covering part of your screen, you can reduce its visibility by adjusting the idle opacity option at the bottom of the Assistive Touch settings. Keep in mind that this feature works by double tapping the Assistive Touch button, not by double tapping anywhere on the screen. If you prefer not to use the floating button, you can also use Back Tap by going back to Settings page. Tap on Accessibility, then tap on Touch, Back Tap, and assigning Lock Screen to double tap or triple tap on supported iPhone models. That's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.